So, working on both local and global projects, the main difference is that in your local project, you know the language, you know the locals, you know how it works, the cheat codes, how you can get things done, if any situation happens, how to get out of it. But when you move on to a global perspective, it's not necessary to get things done quickly. The first essential thing of getting a project done is the communication, and because of being in different time zones, the communication isn't very clear 100%, so you have to figure that out. Then you can't just express your view, you have to be mindful of whatever others have to say, so you have to get into perspectives as well. And then the speed of the project, on how it works. And so what I think is Melton really gives us a really good framework and a thing to fill, a document to fill before we start a project. And that if you get in a local project, it doesn't really make a lot of sense, because everyone in just one discussion it can be done. But when you're working on a global project, you need to be very, very clear on all the goals, on everything, so that everyone's on the same page. And Melton gives us a document we have to fill, and we were filling that a while ago, and now that's made everyone on the project on the same page. So yeah, that is the main difference between a local and a global project.
Actually, we just finished our local project like weeks ago in China, so today we want to talk about it a little more.
And during the local project, I learned how to explore the resource of a region and to help the people in need. And in EU, we provide people who are disabled with decent job with their commercial advantages.
Yeah, and throughout the whole process of designing our program and also leading the whole program to happen, it actually tells me how to co-work with each other, and also I think it's a whole thing about cooperation, about communication, and also the linking between each other. So yeah, it's like not only we are helping others, but also we are like building our bondings just among us. Yeah.
So I think like while we are carrying out the local project, we actually bumped into a lot of difficulties. Like actually teaching those who are disabled is quite a difficult thing for all of us. You try to communicate with them like in a slower pace, and also you have to repeat the question one more and one more again. And so also like we will bump into the difficulty like we don't know how to transform all the things into actual products that they can sell. So I think this is a long way to go if we are doing more like charity things and to help people with this ability to get their occupation and also to get their equal chances for jobs.